If your snake plant turning leggy, the leaves are bending and rotting with little watering, then here are 4 most important care tips that are often overlooked but miraculously improve the overall growth of snake plants. And with this, hello plant lovers, I'm Nishat Suba from Bangladesh. I'm a plant expert and make videos on plant care, propagation and troubleshoot. So if you are interested, then feel free to subscribe. Let's begin. We have a misconception about this plant, and that is, this plant is known as a low-light plant and can be grown in the darkest place of our interior. Whereas, snake plants can tolerate low light, but for better improved growth, they prefer 4 to 5 hours of bright indirect light. This amount of light exposure increases the photosynthesis rate of the plant and encourages the plant to form long, compact, and thick leaves. So to improve the plant's overall growth, first, ensure proper light exposure. You can keep the plant in a north-facing window or near an east-facing balcony. Eliminate direct scorching afternoon sun that can burn the leaves or discolor the leaves. Only bright light is sufficient. I kept my snake plant near a north-facing window where it receives around 5 to 6 hours of bright indirect light, and you can see the plant has long healthy leaves with multiple side shoots. This care tip is for how you can increase the side shoots which express the actual beauty of the snake plant. This plant multiplies by rhizomes, and a root-bound snake plant produces offsets fast. Growing the snake plant in a container with a limited space helps to bind the roots fast, which encourages side shoots. Here, limited space doesn't mean growing the plant in a small or odd-sized pot. It means to provide a container that is a size larger than the current root ball of the plant. I repotted the snake plant in an 8-inch pot based on the height and thickness of the plant. Also, I have used succulent soil, which is porous, allows air, and drains out extra water. Such free-draining soil mix also helps the side shoots to lift up their heads easily. Snake plants are succulent-like plants that hold water on the leaves, base, and roots. Both overwatering and underwatering situations damage the plant. Once the snake plants have rotting issues or their roots get dehydrated, it is very time-consuming to recover such plants. So, improved watering schedule shows a vast difference in the plant's growth. Water your snake plants thoroughly when 70% soil feels dry. Also, the plant will show wrinkles on the leaves, which indicates the plant needs water. I check a few inches of soil from the top whether it is moist or not before watering. I have used my advanced succulent soil mix, which is well draining, so I need to water more frequently. This plant doesn't prefer a tremendous amount of fertilizer, but fertilizing with balanced NPK fertilizer or application of vermicompost once a month helps to improve the leaf size and increase the side shoots. I like to use a handful of vermicompost once a month. So that's all. If you're interested to learn how to propagate snake plants, then check the video that is displayed on the screen. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.